Oh, hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today I have a fun game for you guys called Halitosis Ball. Use your breath or your air to play this game. For this activity, you're only going to need a few household items. You're going to need a cup, some tape, and a table. And if you have a bouncy ball or ping pong ball, that'd be best. And that's the only items you're going to need. So the goal of this activity is for you to stand behind one side of the table. What you're going to use your breath to blow it. And you're going to maneuver your body to make it in your opponent's cup on the other side. If you can do that within 10 seconds, you get 1 point. Okay, that is how this game is going to be played. All right, Jordan's going to get started in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 10, 9, 8, 7. All right, so the ball landed on my side, and therefore he didn't score in the bucket. So therefore it's my turn. 10 seconds. Ready?
Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Hit the side. Nobody scores. Jordan's going to go again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. He was not successful. It's now my turn. Going back.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Oh, just off the cup. Jordan's turn. Round 3. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. All right, going back to me.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Scored. Jordan's turn. Score is 2-0. Round 4. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
10, 9, 8, 7.
All right, here we go. Round number 5. Round number 5. Score is 2 for me, 0 for Jordan. Starting. Ready? Set. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. A little short. It's my turn. Ready?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Not quite. I hope you guys enjoyed this activity. Again, this game is called Halitosis Ball. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. We look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.